Come on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, I don't believe this. This is karma. This is karma because I packed Ibra in FIFA 14 and the game capture didn't work. And I just pray to God that this has worked now because I've just got Ibra. Him. Oh, bitch! You cheeky monkey! Get in! That is brilliant. That is brilliant!
Enough to. Fuck! Get the fucking yes! Ibrahimovic! Woo! Yeah, not trolling. Ibrahimovic. Fucking hell. I'll be back in a sec, Ibrahimovic! Ibrahimovic! Fuck!
Would love to pack one of him. Cause I don't want to shell out. Oh! Nah! I did not just get that. No way. No freaking way. Oh my god. Thank you. Yes! Get in the club, bro. I've wanted Ibra so bad. No fucking way. Oh my god. Let's get it. Here we go. Best pull of the year, baby.
Okej, 150 viewpointsów kolejnych. I co teraz?
Ja pierdzielę Ibra! Nie wierzę! Ibra! Ja pier...